What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna be clapping people in Bed Wars. I'm gonna be playing with another YouTuber. I'm pretty sure his name's X-Vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing Minecraft, with another YouTuber. So, I'll see you guys when I get in. Alright, I'm in game. You can hear him talking. It's like kind of fun. This is him right here. I do have sticky key, but I just hold it down so I don't get stuck. So hopefully we're on the same team. I don't really know how to join. I know you can send party invites, like /send party invite. I picked the Java edition, but yeah. If it's too loud, I know a way to fix it. I'm just testing this out just to see. Okay. I'm pink team. I just figured out that this shield doesn't actually work. It doesn't do anything. I'm gonna get some. I'm just defending our. Now I'm gonna put a super protection on it. Oh, I'm lagging. I don't really like the lag. The lag that I get. I'm actually not very good at Bed Wars, so you guys are probably gonna call me out for like 100 things in this game. I know I'm doing something, I just don't know what. Alright, this is my dead bed D. Alright, got some materials. Alright, stone sword. Oh, I'm lagging. I don't like this lag. I don't really like lag. I think my teammates. Wait, Jojo, you white team, right? Oh, you're green? How did they not see me? I'm dead. I'm not winning. Yeah. Dang it. I tried killing them. I think they're about to break my bed. So, that's fun. You see? Someone's attacking my stepbrother. Okay. My stepbrother. Don't really know why. But, I'm just going over there. I'm just gonna collect some diamonds and go back. It's a really weird. You guys are probably gonna call me out like, you could have just sprint jumped over there. Why didn't you just sprint jump? Oh my god, you're so bad at this game. You know, I'm not good at Bed Wars. This is a thing that I'm not good at. 4 diamonds, 2 diamonds. Oh, heal pool. We got a heal pool now. Woo! I actually don't know what a heal pool is. I don't know. Oh, we just got fireballed. Yep, our bed's being destroyed. Yep, our bed has been destroyed. Why did I throw my shield? I'm dead. GG. Yeah, I got it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, kinda sad that I died. But, yeah. I don't know if me and my brother be in the same game. Let me see. You wanna do, what's it called? You wanna do the Blocking Dead now? Alright. After this, we're gonna do a Blocking Dead. I didn't know this was a game. Yeah. I actually didn't know the Blocking Dead was a thing until like 2 nights ago. I'm pretty sure we're in the same game. I just. Oh yeah, we're in the same game. Okay. All right. Now we'll just. I want to be blue, light blue. I don't know what. Light blue just seems like a cool color. Alright. Alright, my brother right here. He has scabby skin with no mask. So yeah, there's a white tier too. Oh! I thought that was Unspeakable Gaming. It's another famous YouTuber. Well, I don't know if we're considered famous, but we're. This kind of looks like a Fortnite game. Wait, what? Why did I say Fortnite? This kind of looks like an. I mean, this looks exactly like Unspeakable. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but he's a Minecraft YouTuber that records other Minecraft videos. Pretty sure you guys know who it is. He only has like 4.8 billion subscribers. He's not that famous. He just has like 150,000 more subscribers than me. He's really not that famous. I'll put it right there. And covered up with a protection of the wall. Wait, can I buy a fireball with that one diamond? Yeah, you guys are probably gonna call me out for that. It was like 64 iron or something like that. I'm just getting really good bed defense. Oh, that was a misclick. Okay. I don't think there's. Oh! Alright, now I don't think there's any exposing wood. And we have a huge wall protecting our base. Just to keep it safe. Let's break this. I'm still alive. Okay, I'm just trying to get like the best defense in the world. I think I'm stuck. Unless I break this, I'm pretty sure I'm stuck. Okay, we'll just place that right there. Okay. I'm gonna go to our diamond generator over there. I don't know what I'm getting called out for, but I'm getting called out for something. Don't know what yet. Where is it? Utility? Oh, fireball? Let me get a golden apple. Just to heal myself. Let's get some wool. Oh, I think my teammates are being caught. Oh, apple. God apple. Dang it! Why did I say God apple? Good luck breaking our defense. I'm dead. See, I'm not really good at PvP, so I'm just trying to do a little bit of work. Die! I got him! I'm so good at this game! Oh my god! I'm just too good at this game. Nah, I'm pretty trash, not gonna lie. Hey, how nice of him! I can hear that, but I don't have enough for. Why do I have enough for arrows? Alright, I have 8 arrows. I can beam someone. Oh, is this what tried to? Is this the person that tried to attack us? Oh, I think this is yellow. Oh, oh, I didn't like that. Oh, yep, he's here. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. Quickly. No, I tried, no! Dang it, I tried throwing out my diamonds so he wouldn't get them. Actually, wait, is he coming to us? Yeah. Oh, there's two of them! There's two of them! Go away! I'ma eat your face off! What? Why'd I say that? Okay, yeah, our bed's gonna get destroyed. Let's go fight them. Come on, teammate. We got this. I believe in us. Oh, I'm dead. GG's. Alright, I'm gonna go back to lobby. Okay. My headset's a little big, not gonna lie. It's already been 10 minutes? 11 minutes? Whoa, time flew by fast. For some reason, the software that I'm using to record, it only really lets me record for 15 minutes. And that's why I live stream. That's why I live stream most of the time, because most of the times I can record longer than 15 minutes, so that's why I usually live stream. But when I live stream at my my PlayStation sometimes. No wait, no, I always live stream on my computer. I'm just checking what new thing I had got. A gadget? What gadget did I get? Projectile? What is it? What does it do? Explosive! Boom! Wait, can this launch me? Fly! Oh, that's pretty cool. You guys want to see my epic parkour skills? Oh, yep. I'm not really that good at parkour. Oh, that was massive lag. I think it's either massive lag or I'm bad. Alright. Oh, I'm so good at this. I'm really bad at these. I've been playing for like 3 years. I'm still really bad at parkour. Okay, I think my brother just finished recording a video. Yeah, you can hear him. You can hear him talking. Oh, why didn't it let me run? Not gonna lie. I don't know what happened. Yeah! Okay, why'd I flick my screen up so high? A little scary. Alright. Ooh, I'm so scared. I've only died once, which is at the beginning. Wait, which way do I have to go from here? Like somewhere over here, yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't like that lag, not gonna lie. Okay, I've actually never made it this far. Oh no! Oh, look, my spawn right here. Alright, let's oh, I was 1 block away. I don't like this lag. I don't know if I'm lagging for you guys, but I am lagging. Whee! Oh, I died. Alright, I have to end the live stream here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, bye!